What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the camera shutter lag issue in MagicOS 8. So to fix this issue, first of all open camera app. Now tap on the settings icon on the top right corner and then scroll down to the end and tap on restore defaults. Now from the pop-up tap on OK to confirm, and after that the camera shutter lag issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue in camera shutter lag, then open settings, scroll down and here tap on system and updates and then tap on software update. Now from here update the mobile's software to the latest version, and after updating the software to the latest version the camera shutter lag issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is open settings one more time. Now scroll down and tap on apps. Now again tap on this apps option and then scroll down and tap on camera. Now go to the storage of camera and clear the app data and cache memory of camera app. So to clear the cache memory, just simply tap on clear cache and cache memory will be cleared. And to clear the app data, tap on clear data and from the pop-up tap on delete to confirm. So after doing this, the camera shutter lag issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the camera shutter lag issue in MagicOS 8. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.